So this is it. Figured I'd take a video of it before I really do too much to it. Very complete, 1964 and a half Mustang. Oh, not in bad shape. Father-in-law did the body work about 20 years ago, and it's been sitting for at least 15. He might have done it more than 20. It's starting to get a little rough. But he replaced the quarters on it, did the trunk to it, did a single stage. And I started cleaning out the interior of the engine bay just to see what I'm looking at here. About 15 years ago, I pulled the trans on this because I thought he stopped driving it for a rear leaky main. Replaced that. Never put the generator back in. Never put the starter back in, so the clutch is probably wiped. I did put a new clutch. Oh wow, this is all just so wet. Ugh. But cars are actually, other than body work, like this looks to be pretty rough right here. Okay, that goes through. That's not good. Okay, need a little bit of work on the rockers. Bottom of the door is a little fun. Quarters are still good. I pulled off the tires and put those on, but obviously those are shot. 0 miles. Oh wow. Through. Trunk looks pretty good though. You can't really see it with all the crap in here right now, but the floor is still really good in here. I did take a look at the floorboards in here. And it's very moist in here. It smells like gym farts and stale cinnamon buns. Had a critter living over there. Had a whole bunch of crap in here, but the seats come apart over there, but not over here. Carpet's shot. No big deal there. There's newspaper around here. Oh wow, that'll be interesting. I don't know how bad this gets. A lot of rust. Hopefully it's all cleaned up. Mileage 89,114. Let me see. I think that's going to be legit 89. This is a bare bones car though. It didn't come much more bare than this. Oh wow. It was a pretty headliner at one point in time. I don't know, maybe I can sew it back up. Not nearly as nice as that seam. I think I'm looking at a replacement. This bar in here. I don't even know how to do it. I might just try and stitch it back up together a little bit. No, I don't have the skills for that. Never mind. I'm going to say most of the pieces are here. The engine does, or did, so he didn't drive it because it stopped working. He stopped driving it, he told me, because it drove like a tank. It was not comfortable to drive it. Little hoof flaw there. Maybe I can pull that back out a little bit. I don't expect to paint it, at least not in the first couple of years, but I should be able to get it cleaned up. I know that there is a little bit of frame rot. I think they call it the torque tube or torque box. So there's the driver's side over there, right in through there, but it's on this side that you can't really see. It gets a little, it was mushy back then, so I know it's mushy now. 170 ponies, wow. Probably pushes what, 230, 240 horsepower? Unrestricted, baby. Yeah, you got it. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? No, I think 89 or 94 horsepower, somewhere in there. Car weighs 2,400 pounds. Manual brakes. Single oil can style, or what do you call it? Oil jar, whatever, jar brake. That'll be fun. Oh, there's my fuel pump. How did I not see that? It's massive. As big as a distributor. I'm sure that's shot. You know, it's gonna load up the parts can and shoot it at it and pull all those plugs. First things first, though, is I gotta get the tires aired up, see if they hold air, and get this thing loaded onto a trailer, and see if U-Haul dicked me on my reservation. That's the first thing. It's not bad.